Good morning children, welcome to our class Amma. Now activity 2, match the following. Now here getting Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals both. Now this Roman numerals is matching to, check it this Hindu Arabic numerals, you match to that. Okay Amma, first one XL, L4 50, X4 10. So 50 minus 10, 40. Okay. You are kept in mind XL means 40. XL 40. Kept in mind Amma. XL 40. Okay. XL 40 plus 6. 46. 40 plus 6. 46. Where it is 46? Check it Amma. Here is there. You matching to 46. Okay. Now next one Amma. Again XL 40 plus 9. 49. Where is 49? Here is there. You matching to 49. Now next one X 30 plus 9 39. Where is it here? Here is there. You matching to that. Okay. Now next XL 40 plus V 5 45. Where is it 45? Here you matching to that. Okay. Now next one XL 40 means 50 minus 10 you get 40. Where is it 40? Here you matching to 40. Okay. Now next one X 10 plus 10 20. You matching to 20. Now next X. So the 10 plus 10 plus 10 30 plus 3 33. Where it is 2 is there. 30 plus 2 32. Now next 10 plus 4 14. You matching to 14. Now next 10 plus V 10 plus 5 15. Next IX means 10 minus 1 you get 9. Where it is 9? Here is there. You matching to 9. Okay ma? Please write in your class book and test book both. Next bit, write the Roman numerals for the following. Here getting Hindu Arabic numbers. You will write Roman numerals. Okay ma? Please write it first. You matching to. Okay. Next one. You check it and matching them up. And next bit. Okay ma? 7 means 5 plus 1 plus 1. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. 5 plus 1 plus 1. So 5 for V. 5 for V and 1 for I and again 1 for I. Okay, V I. Now next one Amma 13. 13 means 10 plus 3. So 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 like that. Okay, 10 for X and again 1 for I, 1 for I, 1 for I. X 1 1. X I. Next to 45 Amma. 45 means 40 plus 5. Okay, 40 plus 5. 40, how to write this 40, Amma? 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 plus 5. So 50 minus 10. How to write 50 minus 10? First you write 54L. Here doing what? Subtraction or addition? Subtraction. So you write before or after? Subtraction you write always before. 10 for x. So XL for 40. You can understand, Amma? XL for 40. So 40, how to write? 50 minus 10. 50 for L. Here doing subtraction. So you write before. For example, you are doing addition ankondi. You write L after. L after you write that. But here doing subtraction kabatti, you write before. Okay. Now 5. 5 for V. Okay, ma. Next 29. 29. 10 plus 9. This 9 you write 10 minus 1 like that also. Okay, 10 minus 1, 9 you get. So 10 plus 10 plus 9, 20. So 10 for x, again 10 for x, 9 for ix. Okay. Now next 9. 9 is a 10 minus 1. 9 for 10 minus 1. 10 for x. Here doing subtraction. So you write before. X before you write 1. Or 1 for I. Okay. Next one number 25. So 10 plus 5. So x, v. Next 31. Again 10 plus 10 plus 1. You don't write 40, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 because we are repeating only how many times, Amma? 3 times. I said in previous class. Only in addition repeating 3 times. In subtraction repeating only once. This is kept in your mind. Here 30. You write 10 plus 10. But don't write 40, 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay. You will write 50 minus 10. You get 40. X, 1. Okay. Please kept in please write in your class work, Amma. 3 is there. That is your homework. 8th one. Here I am write down. Okay. What is that one? 8th one is a 48. How to write 48, Amma? 40 plus 8. 40 how to write? 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 is a 40 plus 8. VII. 8 for 5 plus 1 plus 1. 48. Next to 42. Now 10th one is a 16. 16 is how to write 16? 10 plus 6. 16. Now this 3 is your homework. 48, 42 and 16 is your homework. Okay. Please write in your class work. I think you can understand, Amma. Only in addition repeating 3 times. That is a standard once is repeated 3 times. But in subtraction only once. And addition రాసారనుకోండి. Addition చేస్తే you write after. Subtraction చేసారనుకోండి you write before. Like this. Okay. 48 how to write 48? 40 plus 8. 40 how to write? 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 means XL. XL. This is your homework, Amma. Okay. And remaining grades, write the Hindu-Arabic numerals for the following and write the predecessor. That is, I will see in the next class. I will explain in next class, Amma. More bits are there. Please do it first. We'll learn the logics, Amma. First of all, we learn logics, how to write in a Roman numerals. You learn logics first. You get easily. Okay, ma. Thank you. Bye.